Hey, hello everybody. I just wanted to share with you our February Posse of the month. So, I've got it today. I have not opened it yet. So, here it is. I do know it is a necklace of pearls, and I know that it has some earrings. I will show you a picture right now. This is what it looks like. Isn't that cute? And I'm going to show you right now in person. So first, we have the earrings. And I will pull them out and show you. And let me get it off the thing here. Okay, here we go. You see that? Isn't that cute? Look at those pearls. Get a closer look right there. And then it has the end right here. Oh, I can't find, there we go. And then it has the plastic stopper on the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in so you can see the length of it. Okay. See, there you go. Pretty good drop there. Really cute. Not very heavy at all. Not heavy at all, which is nice. I don't like heavy earrings. So I shall put the other end again. Here's what. Oh, excuse me. Okay. So there we go. So these are the earrings. Right there. See, pretty good. Not too long, not too short. Definitely not heavy at all. Definitely not. So now I will show you the necklace. And this has a ribbon that you can tie in the back. You can shorten it or lengthen it. And see, here's the pearls with little links, gold links all around. Like this. Very pretty. Little chains in between the links, holding the links together. You can undo the ribbon and make it longer or shorter, but I'm just going to put it on because it will definitely fit on. And see, this is a good length. I like this length. But again, you can untie it. You can make it as long or as short as you want. Here we go. A little bit closer view right there. So February Posse. You can get them on my website at violetsunicornjewels.com. And see, available only during February and only while supplies last. But I do have a couple on hand, so okay. I hope you like it. I do. I like this one. It's really cute. I like the pearls. It's very dainty, and this is definitely not heavy at all. Not heavy. And it lies here, and see, so you could, you know, make it shorter if you wanted, and you could undo it and make it a little bit longer. Personal preference. I kind of like this length, and then I think I'll leave it like this for a while. So anyway, February Posse, $25, no tax, no shipping, free shipping. Violet Unicorn Jewels, and there you have it. Okay, have a good evening. Bye.